Now, of course, I'm saying the best for last. There's one other way if Washington doesn't come through, but it relies on us. We need to wear these. We need to wear masks. All of us. It's that simple. The other day, I unveiled a contest on this show to design a mask that more people will wear. If you're 15, 24 years old, you can participate. There's $1 million prize for the best one. What's best? It's the one that most people want to wear. We can't make the technicals better, but something that's good that everyone will gets behind. So will Americans do what's necessary here? I'm starting to believe the mask will prevail. Not long ago, Costco decided to go with the no mask, no service. Back then, a lot of people resisted the idea. They thought Costco would take a hit for turning away customers. They thought they were dreamers. Au contraire, mon frère. They just had a blowout month with double-digit same-store sales growth. Now, this morning, Walmart adopted the same policy. I'm into them, trying to get them to talk about it. After the close, Kroger, largest grocer, did the same. Tens of millions of people shop at these places every week. This may be the breakthrough we need. I'm going to call it the mask pontoon bridge. It's cheaper and more efficient than another government bailout. According to Salesforce.com's Mark Benioff, who's become an expert in reopening the economy and is part of this mask initiative, the competition I'm talking about, if everyone wore masks for 3 weeks, we could stop the pandemic in its tracks. That's what he told us when we rolled out the X Prize competition, xprize.org. It is a charity. I say nonprofit. I say make it 5 weeks and we are golden. Although I don't know if I want to wear a spam mask for 5 straight weeks. Oh, what the heck. If we embrace masking, 2/3 of this market, the non-COVID stocks would explode higher. The bottom line, if you can't be bothered to wear a mask to protect your health or the health of those around you, please do it for the economy. I know it's not that comfortable. I know it doesn't look that great, although this one's stylish. Maybe we get a more stylish one, but it gets us across the chasm, and that's what matters. And why don't we just design a better mask together and pay someone $1 million to do it?